Alright, I just swapped out this old PCB.
No, 1 second here. I'll go for her own lane.
The old one, put this new one in. Now I gotta swap this out.
The lights actually.
Out with the old. In with the new, baby.
Alright, so the last step now is we're just gonna replace the ribbon cable. Remember, we put a little dot here to recognize which side, so we didn't forget. Alright, and all we're gonna do is you see that little notch right there that goes right into that slot right there. So we're just gonna push it in there.
Takes a hot minute to load, but here we are.
Okay guys, the next step is, all we have to do now is we're gonna...
You back in there, baby.